haven't, navigate to this page that says Elevate Goals for KEES Money. Click this link right here that says Elevate. All right. And once you're on Elevate, you're going to look for over here on the left where it says Goals, and you're going to create a new goal. Okay. Not a moment. Make sure it's a goal. Now, underneath goals, we're looking at KEES Money. If you don't know what KEES Money is, it is free money from the state of Kentucky. Everybody gets this money. You don't have to apply for it. You just have to earn certain credentials that give you this money. One of them is getting a GPA of a 2.5 or higher. If you get a 2.5 or higher each semester, you earn money. Another way to get KEES money is by scoring a certain amount on your ACT. A lot of you have taken your ACT. If you've scored at least a 15 or higher, and I feel like most people have, you've earned KEES money. If you are in an AP exam class, a class where you take an AP exam at the end of the year, if you've made a score of 3 or higher, you have earned free KEES money. And KEES money can be used at any college or university in the state of Kentucky for any major or minor that you want to take for 5 years after you graduate. So even if you want to go out of state for like the first 4 years of college where you do your undergraduate degree and then come back and get like a graduate degree, you will have a whole year where you can use your KEES money. You can take a gap year and come back and use your KEES money. It will be there. It is free money. I recommend you use it if you plan to go to college. Okay, use it if you can. So underneath number 1, click college and career ready, because KEES money has to do with college. I know not everyone will go to college, and that's totally cool. But if you do, use this free money. So click that. And then we're going to scroll down here to number 2 where it says milestone. Okay, if you look underneath the milestone section, the very bottom row, there's only one button down here, and it just says review KEES. Click it. And that's what we're doing. We're looking at your KEES. Okay, now let's scroll down. Okay, I can count. I know that this is section number 3, but it says section number 2, even though we just did number 2. Okay, so section number 2 that says outline your plan. That's where we are. What we're going to do is first, we're going to come over here to this little calendar. I want you to click the little calendar symbol. Now, this is a goal. This is not something that has necessarily happened yet. You may have already earned some KEES money, but we're setting a goal for how much you will earn by the end of this year. So let's skip ahead to like May 1st. Okay, so find May 2024 and just choose like the 1st of May. Even though we're going to go to school beyond the 1st of May, just choose the 1st of May as when you're going to reach your goal. Okay, now I'm going to flip-flop back over to Canvas really quick. So back on Canvas, we've done these things. Okay, you've already chosen college or career ready, and we've chosen, to review KEES, and I had you put your date in there for May 1st. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do, you see these blue links down here that say on this brochure. Go ahead and click one of those bad boys. Doesn't matter which one, click one of these. They all link to the same thing. It's also a giant link down here at the bottom. Every single one of them links to the same thing. I just wanted to make sure you didn't miss it. Okay, and what it'll do is it'll open up this. Okay, this is a brochure. You can go to like the KHEA website. That's like a tongue teaser there. But you can go to this website and look up like your actual money and log in if you want to. But this little flyer is pretty quick and easy because you can glance really fast and see how much money you would earn for different things. And to my knowledge, this is up to date. This is the most up-to-date one that I could find. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a couple of goals, okay? And you can choose which goal you want. You can set a goal based on your GPA. You can set a goal based on an ACT score if you know you're taking the ACT this year. Or if you know you're going to be taking an AP exam, you can set a goal for that. Or if you want to do all 3, you can do all 3. And all you have to do is come back over here to Canvas real quick. And look at this. I outlined all 3 of those options for you. They're little fill in the blanks that you can copy and paste. So everybody is going to earn a GPA of something. So let's copy and paste the very first one right here. Okay, so where it says number 1 and it starts with earn a GPA of blank. Now you're going to have to type some stuff in there yourself, but go ahead and highlight it, hit Control-C, go back to Elevate, and paste it in here real quick. So hit Control-V as in victory to paste it. Now, once you've done that, okay, I'm going to come in. I need to delete some stuff. So like it says, earn a goal of blank, okay? Not everybody makes a 4.0, and that's okay. What GPA do you feel like realistically you might earn? Is it a 3.0? Is it a 2.5? Is it a 3.5? Okay, if you think you're going to earn at least all Bs, a 3.0 is pretty good. Okay, if you're going to earn mostly A's and B's, a 3.5 might be a good goal for you. If you know you're a straight A student, maybe you want to do 4 2.0. Okay, and this is an unweighted GPA. So I'll type in, I'm going to do 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to write earn a GPA of 2.5. And then in parentheses here, it says like to type in your number. Delete that parentheses. We've done that. You don't need that. That's just there to help you like make sure that you're doing the right thing. Okay, so I'm going to earn a GPA of 2.5 and I'm going to earn blank amount of KEES money. This is where you got to look up how much KEES money you're going to earn. So go back to that little brochure real quick. If I'm going to get a 2.5 GPA this semester, I will earn $125. And that's for every semester. So you can earn that this semester and next semester. So I'm just going to type in 125. Okay, if you have a different GPA goal that you set, look for what the price would be or the amount would be for your goal. But I'm going to type in 125. And then I can delete this parentheses out of here that tells me to type in the money. Okay, so I end up with a very short sentence. Now, if you want to do the other two as well, like maybe you do have a goal for an ACT. Everybody who's a sophomore takes the ACT. Okay, you might have already taken the ACT and know that you have some money from it. If you know you're in an AP class and you're probably going to take an AP exam, you can copy and paste that one. And if you look in the brochure, so ACT scores 15 and above, it lays out right here how much money you get. If you scroll over to the right just a little bit, you'll see over here how much you get for AP exam scores. Okay, AP exam scores count as college credit. You don't earn the college credit unless you earn at least a 3. So they only give money for a 3 and up, and the highest grade you can make on an AP exam is a 5. If you're not familiar with AP exams, that's how that works. So take a second, fill out yours. Just make an honest goal with yourself. I don't care what you mark. I'm not expecting everybody to have the same thing, but I want you to set a goal and just know that this exists. If nothing else, this is useful free money. Okay, even if you don't plan to go to college to earn a degree, if there is some kind of trade program that you can get into, like, well, there are all kinds of trade programs that might require maybe 12 hours of credit. Use your KEES money for it. Do your training that way. Okay, it's free. It's free money. Free money. And college is so expensive. Use it. Okay. So I'll give you a couple minutes. If yours looks good, you've copied and pasted what you need to copy and paste, and you can always come back to this page and it'll be here if you want to look at that PDF again. Then just hit save. Okay. And when you hit save, you don't have to submit anything on Canvas. Sorry, I guess I didn't save mine. But when you hit save, it'll save. Okay. And what happens is on my dashboard, I get, let's see how many I've got. Come on. Well, it's not loading all of them. There we go. There we go. There we go. It'll start to show me all these different ones. And I know you can see your moments. Your teachers have to go through and we have to approve all of these different moments and things. So like if I were to click on your class, okay, I can look in through here. That's not B4, that's A2. But I can look through here and I can see everybody's name. I can see all your moments. So as long as you've done one and I can approve it for you, you'll get credit. You don't have to actually submit anything on Canvas. It is a couple of points. It's 5 points total. So make sure you do hit save. And as long as I can see it, you'll get that credit. Is anybody having any difficulties with that part? Okay, let me give you another minute or so to wrap that up. You can close Elevate when you're done with that.